other thing I'd like to show you is the image that I used in the footer. Now this is the original image that I used, and as you see it's a totally different color. This is the color that it was on the newsletter, and I'll tell you how I did that. First thing you want to do is open your image in Photoshop, and down here on the lower right there is an FX initial here. Go ahead and click that and look at color overlay. Now my color overlay is going to be the blue, which you already see. Now I selected that color and it's 0A34A0. Okay? Now initially in your Photoshop you might see it like this. It's a solid color. It'll cover your whole screen. Now what I did was I lowered the percentage so we can actually see it. And as I brought it down, you can see it's getting lighter and lighter, and I have it at 80%, and that's exactly what you saw in the newsletter or the template. I changed the color of the image by putting this color overlay, and then I saved it. Now once you have your color, this is a Photoshop file, so you want to export it. So go over to the top menu here, select File, and you're going to export that image, save for the web, and you're going to go ahead and click Save, and of course name your image, footer background if you want, and go ahead and click Save, and that's it. And you'll be ready to insert that image into your newsletter or into your template.